Hello guys, we'll play Teardown, and you see I have Meteor strike and I'm gonna strike Acacia apartments, These Acacia apartments, there's I think 3 and a parking lot over there. First let's just get in the Meteor strike. You see I have done. Let's test it out.
Okay.
Oh,
it's coming.
Woo!
Oh, it's powerful.
Yeah, pretty powerful,
Yeah.
Strike that car. Oh, it's coming down.
Can aim?
Yeah.
Wow. That was cool.
Look.
Nothing
Can I drive the car? No, definitely no. Let's try this building. I clicked it too much. Oh no, Jesus.
2, 3, huh? At once.
Oh. Wow.
Okay, that is not crashed your game, huh?
Oops.
What have you done?
That is very loud. That's very powerful, but
Yeah. You can spawn more than one.
More. At that tree. Definitely destroy that tree. Hola.
Aim at the house, at the skyscraper.
Where's it coming from?
I don't know. Where's
it? Woo! Yeah. It goes through the building.
But not totally.
Oh no, I have to go away. Ah! Whoa!
That is a big
hole. Maybe let's do more times, funner. Click.
More.
What? Oh shit!
Meteors strike. Huge.
There's very much strikes. Jesus.
Oh no.
I hope it doesn't hit me. Let's see the aftermath.
Yeah. Let's see.
Very much fumes. Let's go in the building. Hello?
What? It is locked?
It's not gonna be locked for now.
Look at the building, huh? How it looks.
It's not gonna be locked now. Yeah, now it's not locked.
Very good, huh?
Definitely not locked now.
Can
Let's get in.
See through the smoke, huh?
Cool. Look. Everything is just flying around this building.
There are also furniture in this building, so realistic.
Yeah, furniture. Let's just through the center. Why not do? Right now. Do it. Very set. Where's it coming from?
Where? You don't know.
Where?
Just you. You have to survive yourself, huh? This meteor strike.
It just go through the 2 buildings. Look at that. You can strike down. Okay.
So
we should strike maybe this.
Okay. Let's see.
Does he go?
3 at once?
Maybe.
Okay. No. Don't do anymore.
Ah!
Cash your game. You can cash your game. Look. There.
Aha! It's going down.
Slowly, yeah.
Oh
Let's
no.
go.
It's gonna crash. I mean, not my game, but it's going down. Nuke explosion. This was a nuke. Wow. That was very much destruction for me.
What is left?
I don't see.
Yeah.
Of the smoke.
You have to wait.
I've got the God mode. I'm safe.
I didn't know.
God mode I have. I'm gonna strike it on me, okay? Two.
You're crazy.
I'm not gonna. It's gonna strike the building. Let's see it. You see this?
Nice.
I don't see anything. I have cleared 33,000 voxels.
Particles. Yeah. Debris.
Yeah. How does it look? The real question. It's covered by smoke. I can't see.
Yeah.
The pieces are falling off the building from that explosion. Let's go in. I just see particles of smoke right now. Let's go. Into the afterlife we go. Oh, what?
Afterlife.
I don't see.
It is smoke.
Let's go faster. In.
The whole building.
We should put it out.
Put out.
There was 3 fires.
You can do that with one click?
Yeah. With K and L.
Cool.
And let's see, the destruction is pretty good destruction. You see this?
Yeah. Probably the most powerful gun, huh?
Yeah. Is that even a gun?
It's not a gun, it's...
Why did you say... Why is that chicken kitchen
huh?
stove on the...
It's standing.
That's
I said to you that it's furnished.
That's the only one that is the power with it. Power.
Has power?
Yeah.
No, it's invincible.
It's invincible. The stove.
Just
the magical stove.
Magical, yeah.
And my game is laggy. From the destruction.
Maybe it's burning that...
No, I put out all those fires. There's 0 fires.
Why it's laggy?
I don't... The game is just a...
No, not too much. Because it can lag too much.
What did you say again?
Nothing.
This is going to... Very laggy going to be.
Take a while.
Let's see on this little puny building.
You aiming at this?
Yeah. I want to see this destruction. Oh, the meteors come. It's coming. The meteors. Oh, meteor shower.
Aliens are attacking.
How are they attacking with meteors? We have some technology.
From cosmos.
Just throwing rocks down at Earth. Lands have to be like really big that can throw that meteors.
The sound.
Jesus.
Oh.
Because the news, we have very much meteor showers. We're gonna be dead. I think.
Computer, hold on, huh?
The computer is going to explode and we're gonna explode. Oh, Jesus.
Clear the debris, huh? Clear.
Help, please help. Hello? 2,000 debris cleared.
At once. Another one is aiming at...
What?
You. It's a sun or what?
This is the sun.
Oh, the sun.
I want to aim at the sun, okay?
No, you cannot aim at this.
Accidentally, I clicked.
What click?
I clicked on this building accidentally.
How many times you clicked?
One. It's everything's going to be okay. Let's go closer to the building, you know? See the building. Go.
See the beauty of destruction.
Yeah, this is going to destroy me. Dun, dun, dun. What does it sound?
You said meteors coming. What do you think? Huh?
Oh!
Another one. Huh?
How? I didn't send that one.
This is from God. Just kidding. Huh?
God is trying to kill us?
No, I'm just kidding.
In Teardown?
No.
Shit. I didn't say that much.
Be your work, huh?
I didn't say that much. What is freaking happening? I swear I didn't do that. I didn't say... That was weird. Look at the destruction. It's pretty laggy, but...
Yeah, but you can see the building is...
So we can see, you know? But we can see. Why do we hear another meteor?
This building is too much.
Oh, there is not another meteor.
Mm-hmm.
Good. You know, what should we do now? We should destroy the whole building in like 2 seconds. Yes. Press the button. You know, how much did I send?
A lot of... Now wait.
We have to wait now.
While it's coming.
Easy coming. Can a meteor clash a meteor? Can a meteor hit a meteor?
I don't think so.
I don't know. Maybe.
Who knows?
Yeah.
They are slow.
Very slow. Yeah. You know,
we don't.
Maybe we should end the video right now?
Yeah.
You know?
Wow. Something is left, huh? Yeah. Until something you have to learn.
Yeah, this was the biggest destruction in the world.
Because it's Teardown, huh? And
it's coming! Vince.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching and bye.